Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off always on display in this device. So in this device I already enabled the always on display. So let me show you how to enable or disable this one in this device. For this, go to settings, then here you can see the option display and brightness. Tap on this one, then scroll down. Here you can see the option always on display. Always on display dims the lock screen while keeps information like time, widget and notification visible using minimal power. Okay, then tap on this one. If now here I enable this one, if you want to disable this one, just turn off this option. Now you can see when you log a device, the always on display is disabled. If you want again enable, turn on this one. You can see always on display is enabled. So again you can customize the always on display. If you want to view the always on display with that means the time widgets like that. If you want to view this one like the with your wallpaper, then turn on this one. So here I am going to turn off this one. Now you can see the wallpaper is disabled. If you again view with the wallpaper, now you can see. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the always on display in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.